Okay, so what's driving the predictive maintenance trends?
There are a number of factors, but I think most importantly, you're going to find that the search for additional efficiency and the search for additional margin to maneuver elsewhere in the business is a constant driver behind the scenes. What secondary to that, when it comes to the A&D industry, maintenance is about mission readiness. It's about keeping planes in the sky. It's about keeping people safe. And that problem has never been perfectly solved. Bad things still happen. And oftentimes those things happen because of a maintenance drop down. And as planes become more complicated and the systems become more complicated, we're not talking about just exclusively mechanical systems anymore. As the GE gentleman mentioned this morning, they're flying computers. So now you've got software to contend with and a bunch of other things. And in recent events, we've found that some airline crashes, for example, were driven by a software failure. Or, the Toyota rapid acceleration problem was driven by a software failure. So now we have to maintain complex systems that are both mechanical, electrical, and computer driven. And because of all of that, the desire to be able to predict failure before it happens, to understand when these much more complex systems are approaching a problem point, I think that that's really a key driver. On top of course, make more money, be more profitable, provide better services to the customers in the ecosystem, et cetera. And in this industry, there are high service level agreements as well. So you've got OEMs, you've got lessors and operators, and you've got providers of service. They're all in collusion with each other in terms of service level agreements. So they've got to find a higher operating state.
Okay, is the drive towards predictive maintenance more of an evolution or a revolution?
It's a tough question, and right now I'm kind of on the fence. I believe it's revolutionary because technology today that's being made available through digital disruptors, IoT, analytics, 3D, additive manufacturing, printing, etc. This is changing things dramatically. This isn't an organic analog change. These are step changes. And so the ability to change the game when it comes to producing a part, whether it's on demand or in a specific location, etc., that's revolutionary. It's evolutionary, I believe, because of the industry that we're in. You just can't change aerospace and defense quickly. There are too many downsides, and there are too many institutional constructs that have to be dealt with, whether they're business processes, policies, laws, or 40-year-old computer systems that nobody understands why they were written the way they were written. So change is difficult in this industry, so it has to evolve. I think the key is to take advantage of the revolutionary forcing function and evolve as quickly as possible and achieve that durable rate of change that's going to keep up, and so you can remain competitive.